Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play man defense in Madden 25. Man defense is a fundamental strategy where each defender is assigned to cover a specific offensive player. This approach aims to shut down individual routes and prevent easy completions. Understanding its core principles is crucial for stopping your opponent's passing game effectively. We will cover everything from pre-snap adjustments to post-snap execution, helping you master this defensive scheme. Before the snap, selecting the right man coverage play is your first step. Consider your opponent's formation and personnel. You can then make individual adjustments, like pressing receivers or shading coverage inside or outside. Taking control of a defensive back or linebacker allows you to anticipate routes and react quickly. These pre-snap reads and adjustments are vital for setting up a successful defensive stand against any offensive scheme. Once the ball is snapped, your user-controlled defender becomes critical. Focus on mirroring your assigned receiver's route, staying in their hip pocket. Watch the quarterback's throwing motion and anticipate where the ball is going. When the pass is thrown, react quickly to make a play. Aim for an interception if possible, or at least a pass deflection to prevent a completion. Timely tackles after the catch are also essential. To elevate your man defense, consider incorporating blitzes. Sending 4 or 5 rushers can disrupt the quarterback's timing and force quick throws. Also, don't be afraid to mix man coverage with zone defense concepts to keep your opponent guessing. For example, a cover 2 man under can be very effective. Consistent practice against diverse offensive schemes will sharpen your instincts and improve your overall defensive performance significantly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.